नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो, दुखी नहीं। Myself GVN Dr. Archana Verma, Assistant Professor in Department of Homeopathic Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University, Jaipur. Now, today we'll be continue the stages of wound healing. The late wound healing event. The duration is days 21 to 1 years. 1 years. Remodeling phase program migration of blood vessels and granulation tissue, wound contraction, collagen remodeling. Now collagen 19 types, identify type 18 to 90% most common found in all tissue. The primary collagen in a healed wound. The type 3 10 to 20% seen in early phase of wound healing. Type 5 smooth muscles, type 2 and 11 cartilage, type 4 in VM. Wound contraction wings approximately 4 to 5 days after wounding by action of myofibroblast. Represent centripetal movement of wound eases toward center of wound. Maximal contraction occur for 12 to 15 days, although it will continue longer if wound remain open. The wound edges move toward each other at an average rate of 0.6 to 0.75 mm per day. Wound contraction depend on elasticity of tissue, so a buttocks wound will be contract faster than a wound on the scalp or pretibial area. Wound shape also a factor. Square is faster than circular. Contraction of wound across a joint can cause contraction, can be limited by skin graft full better than split thickness. The earlier the graft, the less contraction. Splints temporarily show contraction. Now remodeling after 21 days, neat accumulation of collagen become stable. Rusting strength is only 15% of normal at this point. Remodeling demar- demar- remarkably increase this. 3 to 6 weeks after wounding, greatest rate of increase. So at the 6 week we are at 80% to 90% of eventual strength, and the 6 month 90% of skin breaking strength. This number of intra or intramacular cross links between collagen fibers increase remarkably. A major contributor to the increase is wound breaking strength. Quantity of type 3 collagen decrease replaced by type 1 collagen. Remodeling continue for 12 months, so scar revision should not be done prematurely. Now disturbance in wound healing. Local factor infection impair healing. Smoking increase platelets. Adhesiveness decrease O2 carries capacity of blood. Abnormal collagen. Radiation and arthritis, abnormal fibroblast. Now systemic factor: malnutrition, cancer, old age, diabetes, impaired neutrophil, chemotaxis, phagocytosis, steroid and immunosuppression, suppress macrophage, migration, fibroblast, proliferation, collagen accumulation and agenogenesis, reversed by vitamin A 25,000 IU per day, abnormal response to injury, inadequate regeneration, CNS injury, bone, non-union, corneal ulcer, diabetic foot ulcer, sacral pressure, sacral pressure sore, venous stasis ulcer, excessive regeneration, norma, hyperkeratosis in cutaneous psoriasis, adenomatous polyp formation, excessive healing resulting in a rise thickened scar with both functional and cosmetic complication. If it's a within margin of wound, it is hypertrophic keloid extends beyond the confines of original injury. Dark skin is of 2 to 40 wound in the pre-sternal or deltoid area, wound that across longer hands lines, and complication of wound healing or keloid and hypertrophic scar. Keloid more familiar. Hypertrophic scar develops soon after injury. Keloid up to year later. Hypertrophic scar may subside in time. Keloid rarely do. Hypertrophic scar more likely to causes contraction over joint surface. जो keloids and hypertrophic scar देखे तो keloids hypertrophic तो कब डेवलप होता है, अगर कोई इंजरी हो गई तो उसके जस्ट बाद में हाइपरट्रॉफी स्कार डेवलप हो सकता है, पर किलोइड इंजरी के कुछ सालों बाद में भी हो सकता है. हाइपरट्रॉफिक स्कार तो सबसाइड हो जाता है, पर किलोइड रेयरली सबसाइड होती है, मिनिमाइज होता है. Both form overall increase in quantity of collagen synthesized. Recent event suggest that the fibroblasts within keloid are different from those within normal dermis in terms of their responsiveness. No modality of treatment is predictable effect for these lesions. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.